Check out this 2016 Cadillac SRX Performance Collection Sport Utility. With a clean Carfax and a dealer service history, this SUV is ready for its next adventure. It's had recent service valued at over $625, including spark plugs, air filter, cabin air filter, wipers, pre-delivery inspection, and a fresh oil and filter change. Plus, it has current Georgia state emissions. This Cadillac is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles of coverage. You can also add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you buy. Want even more peace of mind? Ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection to ensure you're making a fully informed decision. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and warranty, so act quickly to lock in all these amazing benefits. This 2016 Cadillac SRX is luxury, performance, and reliability in one incredible package. Don't miss out. Come see it today.